Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll show you all how you all can clean any vacuum cleaner. So our vacuum cleaner over the years, the suction power decreases, and why, I'll show you all the reason. So there are two filters in a vacuum cleaner, one which is in front which I removed and kept it aside, and the other is inside. So why the second filter is there? So one side the vacuum cleaner sucks in air and the other side it throws out. So when the air moves out, so there is dust going out also, no? So if you're removing the dust and again it's going in your room, so there is no use. So that is why there are two filters which both we need to remove and clean. So as you can see how I opened this is the filter, the exit filter, and you can see how much dust has accumulated. So this slows the suction power, and on the blades also of the motor you can see so much of dust is there which affects the aerodynamics. So leave the big words, so we need to do simple things here. You need to just use a toothbrush, a paintbrush if you have, and a small pieces of wires. You need to clean everything, remove all the dust, and also clean the blades. So just see how much dust you just stick to the end, you'll see how much actual dust comes out of this motor. So now you need to clean it thoroughly by turning the blades. Each and every blade you need to clean it thoroughly. After using a toothbrush, use a paintbrush or any other polish brush which you polish your shoes. You can use that also as long as it cleans it. And then you just need to tap the motor sideways so that all the dust comes out, and you can just see the amount of dust that is coming out. So now the blades which are inside on the inner side, we can't reach over there, so we need to use some small wires and peel the edges off so the copper strands are exposed, which will clean the edges thoroughly. So you just need to insert it in and out and continue this for all the blades till it is cleaned properly, and again dust it and just see guys, you can pause and see how much dust came out. So now the vacuum cleaner will work as new. So after dusting this, you can clean any vacuum cleaner you have. So this is a small one which I have. If you have some big vacuum cleaners, the procedure will be same. It will have two filters, and you need to dust the inlet and exit filter. So once you clean this both, you clean the motor, you clean the blades, and you fit everything back to its normal position. So if you're liking the video guys, if it is helping you out, please you can share it with your friends, share someone who is facing this problem so you can help them. We always need to help others, so in simple things. So this is how you can help, and please like, share, and please subscribe to stay tuned for more videos. So this will make your life simple. Instead of buying new things, instead of servicing it outside, you can service it yourself at home. So here's how the machine is sounding. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos like this. I'll be showing your farming content also in a short while. Thank you. Bye.